Hi guys, today I have a very nice gift. Let's see what is it. I have opened it. Let's see what is inside. I open it. Now let's see. It's something very big. Oh, it's a clip. And it has something like piano keys. It's a charger flag. It is USB. And there is something very big. Oh, it's a cable. Now let's see what is inside this. Oh, what is this? It's a manual. It tells what to do on this light box. Now let's connect it. It looks like this. To the wire, that wire I'm going to put now. I have fixed this clip over here, and the on button have 3 settings. One is bright, one more brighter, and one more the brightest. Now I have printed this picture called Ritwik Kingdom, and now I'm going to keep it on the light box, and I'm going to fix it on the clip. And top of that, I'm going to put this A4 sheet paper top. Now I'm going to trace it. Now I'm going to spray and going to paint with watercolor. First I'm going to spray in the paper. Now I am done drawing Ritwik Kingdom. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and put a thumbs up. Bye bye.